This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Leslie Hobkirk. Kick back and enjoy the expansive mountain / sky views from this Sumas gem. Located along Johnson Creek, which creates a privacy buffer, this craftsman home is full of light west / many oversized windows, has rich wood trim throughout and an open floor plan, great for entertaining. Delight west / the big kitchen west / walk-in pantry and kitchen island for casual dining. Spoil yourself in the large main level master bedroom west / walk-in closet and soaker tub. 2 private bedrooms are upstairs west / some secret storage. Flexibility to use 4th bedroom on main as office. Keep comfortable all year west / a gas fireplace and air conditioner. Oversized garage west / loads of storage. Take some time for you, relax on the deck soaking in the amazing views, grow your own veggies or play in the yard. For more information, review the details below or contact Leslie Hobkirk at 360-734-7500.